GeelyTechnology Europe really wants to innovate. We really want to lead in the software-defined vehicle. We want to involve customers not just after they bought the car, but to involve them, engage them, all in the life cycle. The process is no longer linear, it's a continuous circular feedback loop.
Vodafone Business has a long heritage of working with automakers. We have been doing this for decades. Vodafone Business is a world leader in mobile private networks, providing the highest security of a mobile environment and unleashing the power of the factory. This creates value not only for the automakers, for the drivers, but there's the flexibility that it creates for the manufacturer to rearrange its factory.
Vodafone Business private network really enable this glue between our data backend and the connected car. It's so important because it allows us to really fulfill some of the customer needs. The ultimate goal is really to provide a very engaging, exciting, natural experience for the driver.
The Vodafone Business IoT connectivity allows the car to be safer, smarter, always connected. We're also connecting offices, we're connecting factories, we're connecting people. It's creating a whole new dynamic ecosystem. Vodafone Business is not creating only the connected car. It's creating a learning machine. It's almost like a living organism that learns together. And imagine what that can be created with the power of AI on top of it.
For more than a century, success was measured in horsepower. Now the indicators are performance, process power, and customer satisfaction. This sort of engagement and user experience that is so important that GeelyTechnology Europe is leading the crew, and where the partnership with Vodafone Business is so critical and also so exciting for us.